to Hello Kitty's nail salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll learn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge in Match This? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's nail salon, you can become the best nail designer you can possibly be. What would you like to do now? Are you ready for a challenge in Match This? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. It's the perfect way to practice change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. Look carefully at the manicure and choose the same nail polish color. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. That's the way. Can you pick out the matching pattern for your manicure? What about a different pattern?
This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came
Swipe back and forth on the tray to see all your options. That's the way. Add the matching character to your nail.
This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Use two fingers to rotate your character or change its size.
This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man
Are you
came
sure that's the right
rolling
color?
This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Great choice!
him, and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud, he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Great choice!
Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. Stuck a feather.
Perfect! Perfect! What would you like to do now?